All right, these are the actual ground transportation elevators at New York City LaGuardia International Airport. The other elevators I filmed are actually the Skywalk elevators. These are the actual ground transportation elevators. Now that one over there. I don't think we can come up after this. Yep. Good. It's locked. Someone's sleeping down here. Yep, here's the baggage claim right here. Anyways, there it goes. Yeah, you gotta have a badge right there. So, anyways, that's gonna be it.